Good afternoon, this is Mark, Honda Train Technician here in Midland Honda. Taking the HRB LX color white 2018 model with the 24-24 3A. You can see the body, there's no scratches and dents. Also good and nice. Also the rim are also good and nice. And all season tires are all new and good. To check the rear tail light and the trunk lid, also looking good. The other side also good. Also check your front left and right rotors. The rotors are all looking good and new. And the brake pads is also new, 100% light. Check your rear left and right rotors, also looking good. And your brake pads is also 100% light, also good and new. Check under chassis and suspension. There's no leak in engine and transmission. Check front left-hand suspension, all looking good. On the right-hand suspension, all looking good and tight. Check exhaust and muffler, so looking good and tight. Rear left-hand suspension and the rear right-hand suspension, all looking good and tight. All your all-season tires, also new, and it's 100% light, all looking good. Check your air cleaner element and your fallen filter, also looking good and new. Check all fluids and top of windshield washer, also looking good. Also check your front insert and the rear insert, also looking good and new. Again, all the under chassis and suspension are all looking good and tight. And the body, there's no scratches and dents. Again, thanks for watching. Good day.